Hello friends, you might be suddenly getting Viu service error code A0001 while streaming the service. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, check the server status of the Viu service. Go to the video description and click on the link to the websites which shows the server status. One site which provides the server status is site down. Type viu.com, click on check. Viu.com is up and reachable by us. You can also check the server status on down for everyone or just me. Type viu.com in the search box. Click on search. It just you. Viu.com is up. If the site is down and the server is facing issues, then wait for a while until the server becomes up. Otherwise, follow the next method. Check for internet connection. If you are using Viu website on your desktop, switch your desktop to a different network. You can check by connecting the desktop to your mobile, which uses mobile data. Otherwise, you can use Ethernet to run the network if available. If you are running Viu app on your mobile, then turn on mobile data on your phone instead of connecting to Wi-Fi. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router to see if Viu works correctly. For this, turn off the switch of the router, wait for 5 minutes at least, and then turn on the router, connect to the internet, and then check if Viu works correctly. The next method is check VPN. Simply disconnecting and reconnecting the VPN resolve this problem. So disconnect the VPN first and then reconnect it on which app you are using. Make sure that Singapore is selected in the list of countries or location. If you are already live within VIU service area and are using a VPN, then disable the VPN right away. It may prevent VIU from working properly. The next method is disable ad blocker extension. To disable ad blocker, click on three dots on your browser, go to extensions, click on manage extensions. I have not installed any ad blocker. If you have installed an ad blocker, simply turn off this toggle switch or you can remove permanently from your browser. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.